The 2026 BMW M5 represents the pinnacle of high-performance luxury sedans, blending cutting-edge technology with BMW's legendary driving dynamics. Combining exhilarating performance with everyday usability, the 2026 M5 is poised to set new standards in the high-performance luxury sedan segment. The 2026 BMW M5 showcases an aggressive yet sophisticated exterior design that reflects its performance pedigree. The front fascia features a more prominent kidney grille with active aerodynamics for optimized cooling and efficiency. The laser headlights have been refined with BMW's signature LED daytime running lights, providing an unmistakable presence on the road. At the rear, the M5 sports a more pronounced diffuser, quad exhaust outlets, and an integrated lip spoiler to enhance downforce at high speeds. The LED taillights feature a redesigned light signature that accentuates the car's broad stance. Carbon fiber elements on the roof, mirror caps, and rear spoiler contribute to weight reduction and improved handling. Under the hood, the 2026 BMW M5 is powered by a newly developed 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine with mild hybrid assistance. This powertrain delivers a staggering 750 horsepower and 750 lb-ft of torque, making it the most powerful M5 ever produced. The engine is paired with an 8-speed M-Steptronic transmission that delivers lightning-fast gear changes. The xDrive all-wheel drive system comes with an adjustable rear biased mode, allowing for both maximum traction and the ability to engage in spirited rear-wheel drive dynamics. Additionally, a rear-wheel drive-only mode is available for purists who crave an unfiltered driving experience. The 0-60 mph sprint is achieved in an astonishing 2.8 seconds, while the top speed is electronically limited to 190 mph with the optional M-Drivers package. The M5's adaptive suspension has been fine-tuned to deliver exceptional handling and ride comfort, with multiple driving modes that allow customization of steering, suspension, and throttle response. For those seeking an even more exclusive experience, BMW is expected to introduce limited-run special editions, such as the M5 CS Competition Sport. These variants will feature increased power, weight reduction, and additional aerodynamic enhancements for an even more track-focused experience. The 2026 BMW M5 redefines what a high-performance luxury sedan can achieve. With its breathtaking power, state-of-the-art technology, and luxurious appointments, the M5 remains a benchmark in its segment. Whether on the track or the open road, the latest M5 continues to uphold BMW's motorsport legacy while embracing the future of performance driving.